Hey guys, welcome back. Tim Knox here with Revolved Realty and my old buddy, Noel Bishop of Bishop 30 Solutions. Why Bishop 30 Solutions? Do you have 30 solutions?
I don't.
Wow.
But well, actually, I could have more if I had.
Give you a minute. He'll come up with more.
Yeah.
What is the genesis of the name of the company?
Well, Bishop is my name, my last name. 30 stands for the 30 great warriors of David in the Bible.
Ah, okay.
Okay, and solutions, if you have a security problem, I'll find a solution.
There you go. Yep. It may be more than 30.
Yeah, you may need a lot of them boys to help you out.
Well, hey, what we're doing on this series is Noel is an expert in self-defense and being situationally aware. You also do the active shooter training for churches, schools, which we'll talk about on another video, businesses. And one of the other things you do is you teach folks how to make their home more secure and less of a soft target.
Right.
So talk about that.
One very important thing, okay, is you want to keep the bad guys away from your house outside, okay? And some people call this the layer approach, okay? But so one thing that bad guys really, really like, they like the dark, okay? So if you are not illuminating your house at night, I mean, you don't have to have big old spotlights like, you know, the Batman spotlight, okay? But just the things that come on your house, turn them on.
Okay.
And I mean lights that stay on. Now, a lot of people go to these motion sensors, okay? The problem is once a bad guy has seen your house and has some type of an interest in it, okay, then he gets close and they come on, he still had an interest in your house for some reason.
It's not like he thinks you're inside with a switch, flipping the switch.
So just to let you know, because I'm kind of a geek this way, all right, and this was a little while back, I wanted to see, because I had some motion sensors, and I want to see if you could defeat them. So if you walk extremely slow up to them, okay, I was able to defeat it. So if you get a bad guy with a little bit of knowledge, or a little bit savvy, that's got a little patience, he can defeat it. He can be right up near your house, and if your house is dark, he likes that.
So motion sensors, they have some tolerance because you don't want leaves blowing by to turn them on. So if a bad guy with enough time on his hands, if he was a ninja
bad guy,
there you go. If the ninjas show up, you're kind of screwed. But, but again, going back to it's what we were talking about before about not being a soft target personally. You don't want your house to be a soft target. If a bad guy's casing the neighborhood, you don't want your house to be the one that sticks out as the easy house.
I don't want to pique his interest at all.
Yeah.
I want to have those lights on and say, I'm moving to the next one.
What are your thoughts on things like the Ring system or the remote monitoring, where a bad guy is at your door and you're at dinner somewhere and you can see them and say, hey, get off my porch. You know, I know those things were cool when they were novel, but are they still cool? Are the bad guys kind of figuring out you're not home?
Well, it's a tool.
Yeah.
You know, so all tools can be defeated, just like the motion sensor. You want to build in layers in your home. You want to have that outside perimeter lit. You want to have some type of an alarm system, okay, that's at the walls. And then you want to have inside the house, you want to be trained in what to do if he gets through the first two.
Yeah, and that's what we're going to talk about in the next video. If the bad guys actually get into your house or ways to keep them out, that's what we're going to talk about in the next video.
Sounds good.
Right. Noel, if they want to get in touch with you and learn about everything that you do, where do they go?
Well, you can go to the website, bishop30solutions.com. That's bishop30solutions.com. Or I would love for you to call me, 256-513-2280.
Very good. And as always, if I can do anything for you when it comes to real estate, let me know, 679-0704. Find me on the web at revolved.com. And whatever you do, keep the light on.
Keep the light on.
Keep the light.
Some people's lights don't go on.
Tom Bodette, he really was ahead of his. Remember the old we'll leave the light on for you guy? Who knew
ahead of his time
that he was talking about
what we're doing? Who knew?
Not us.
Not us.